Hey, Ben Norman here, and in today's video I want to give you the top Shopify apps to increase the sales through your store in 2020. You put enough time, effort and money into acquiring users for your site. So when they are on your site, you want to make sure they convert, and you also want to make sure they convert for the maximum amount possible. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my go-to apps for making that happen. App number one, FOMO. It's a really good application for applying social proof to your site. It's really simple, in which it pulls from the previous transactions and latest transactions, and when a user's flashing through the site, it will pop these up and continually give them social proof that people are purchasing through your site. It will show that items are quite popular, and it just kind of reinforces the fact that other people are buying this, and so should you. They've also got a really cool kind of analytical bit in there, so you can see what pop-ups and how effective it is for increasing the conversions on your store. App number two, Weally. This is fantastic. Exit intent, adds gamification to the site, and also creates a sense of urgency to a purchase by allowing you to customize effectively a game wheel. You can brand it, so when someone goes to leave the site, it will pop up and say, hey, do you want to play this game and have a chance to win all of these cool things? And it might be something for free, buy one, get one free, different amounts of discount or money off coupons that you can use or that they can apply to a purchase on your site. You're able to fully customize it all, and basically when they play the game, they have to put their email in, they hit spin, so you're building your email list at the same time, which is awesome, and then they'll get offered a prize depending on how weighted you've made all of the different prizes, and then to claim that they normally get about 10 minutes to basically go through, add the specific code in to claim their prize. So by adding that sense of urgency and giving that kind of discount, but it's only available for a limited time, I've seen on my stores that this can really increase the amount of conversions that you'll get, especially for people that were kind of sat on the fence before or mildly browsing. Suddenly they get this offer, they've won something, they want to claim it, and they would convert, whereas they may not have done had that not been there. App number three, Stampio, product reviews. Everybody knows product reviews are really powerful. People will look at them before they're purchasing, just kind of adds that bit of safety, that bit of reinforcement that this is a good product, it is popular, people like it, it does what it says on the tin. And the good thing with Stampio is it's really easy to set up. It's really easy for people that have purchased a product. They'll get the reminders, it's all automated, you can customize all of that. It's really simple for them just to click a link, fill a couple of things in, hit go, and the review gets popped through. You can also set other cool things so that as long as it's over a certain number of stars, it will automatically get published to your site, saving you admin time. You can also hold certain reviews for you to be able to review them before they go live if they're below a certain number of stars, so you can make sure that they are fair and accurate before they go live on your store. I've found that it's, with some of the other review platforms, you've got to jump through quite a few hoops. It's very easy for people just to kind of spam a load of negative reviews, and there's also not a lot you can do about it with that. Whereas with Stamp.io, you've obviously got the ability to say, no, that's totally spam, I'm not going to have that go live. So it does give you a certain element of control over your reviews. App number four, for upselling and cross-selling after checkout. Now this is through Bold, and basically their system is really cool because it allows, unlike a lot of the other applications out there, that when somebody adds something to their basket, it will start trying to cross-sell and upsell. That's fine, but a lot of people don't like to do that because they're worried that then the horse kind of bolts, the person kind of goes, oh, actually I can't bother with this, and then bails out, and they lose the original sale. The really good thing with Bold is that this all happens after checkout. So after somebody's already converted and bought something, after they've actually put the purchase through, they'll get offered an upsell or to add something else to their order. They're able to do this with one click without adding any of their payment stuff in. They've already purchased the original item, so that is safe. You've already got that sale. So all the option is they can either add this to their order or upgrade their order or keep the order as it is. So it's kind of all win, no risk. It's a really good application for basically just creating some more upsells and cross sells after the checkout. So yeah, check out Bold. App number 5, this is really, really good for people that offer kind of products or services that are regular. So, you know, bi-weekly or monthly, every 6 weeks, every 3 months, whatever it is, you're able to customize and set up schedules in Recharge, which basically plugs into your Shopify store and will basically, you can set up to say to people, if you, a bit like Amazon, if you take this product, you know, you can have it every, 4 weeks or 6 weeks, we'll give you a 5% discount. And people are basically able to set it up, set it, forget it. You're getting regular income every 4, 6 weeks, whatever you set that recurring period to. And it just means that instead of going down the line of having to set up lots of kind of email automation that if somebody buys this 4 weeks later, remind them they're going to run out, rely on them to click the link, go back to the site, find it, check it all out again, which we know isn't going to happen. With Recharge, you'll just be able to let them set it up. If they're buying dog food, for example, they need this stuff every month. They're able just to say, yeah, great, I'll have the 5% discount or whatever you've set, knowing that I'm going to just get it billed and it get delivered every single month. Really easy, really hands off, gives you some regular recurring income. Yeah, great little app. Then app number 6 is Klaviyo for email automation. Now this thing is just freaking awesome. Like, I cannot sing their praises enough. It basically enables you to set up lots and lots of workflows. They have lots of templated workflows that you can customize, seamlessly links into Shopify, enables you to do a whole host of cool things. It all tracks through. And it's just really simple drag and drop email flow. So if you're just getting into email automation, if you're using something like SurveyMonkey just to send out regular email blasts, but there's no real method in the madness, you can basically link in something like Klaviyo. It's really cheap. It scales with your business. It will pull the data through from Shopify. You can set up individual flows depending on what somebody has bought, an action that they've taken. If they're a new user, you can take them through kind of like an indoctrination sequence so they can learn more about it. If they bought a certain product, you can educate them on and offer them lots of different upsells. If they forget about you, they buy something, they don't come back for sort of 6 weeks, 8 weeks, you can send up them into like a warm-up flow just to kind of get them back on board, get them back to the site, offer them a discount. And you're able to track the effectiveness of all this through as well, along with just doing normal email broadcasts. So yeah, fantastic app, can't sing their praises enough. Now, I'd love to know what your favorite go-to Shopify app is, the one that you literally could not deal without. So let me know in the comments below what that is. I hope you've enjoyed this video. They're my go-to Shopify apps for basically trying to squeeze every last bit of revenue out of a Shopify store. I know there are others, but these are kind of my main go-to ones. Love to know if you agree or disagree with that. So as always, let me know in the comments below.